Welcome back. Let us continue with the topic Concord. So, what is the next rule if you see? So, the basic rule, with that basic rule, we have so many other rules. So, if you see here in the slide, you have a few rules. Okay, so let us have a small recap of what we discussed in the previous video. That is, subject verb agreement is a topic where the subject and the verb has to agree with each other. So, what is this agreement? If the subject is singular, the verb should also be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb should also be plural form. Okay. So, now, so in that case, another example, another simple rule with the same rule, that is, you have two subject in a sentence where we use and to connect both the subject. So what verb will you use? So in that case, so two or more singular subjects connected by and usually take a verb in plural. Okay, so if you have two subject, two different subject, okay, two individual subject combined with and, usually the verb will be plural form. So there is an example: Raj and Ram are friends. Okay, Raj and Ram are friends. So here Raj is a subject, individual subject. Ram is another subject here. Okay, you have two subject here. We use and conjunction to combine both the subjects. So here you have two subjects, so we take it as plural. So Raj and Ram are friends. You cannot say that Raj and Ram is friends. Okay? So because you have two singular subject, so that becomes a plural subject. So Raj and Ram are friends. Okay, another thing with the same rule. So two singular nouns referring to the same person or thing, verb must be singular. So if you have two singular nouns referring to the same person or thing, so in the previous rule you have two different nouns, two different subject, but like but they don't connect with a same. They two are different subject, so we use plural form. Whereas if you have two singular nouns where it refers to one person, then you're supposed to use singular thing. For example, in case of using designations, so here the secretary and correspondent has come. So here what you should remember is, when you use the article the before both the designation, that becomes two individual, okay, two individual subject, whereas we are not using two individual, two different I'm sorry, two article, definite article before the designation, secretary and correspondent. We are using the secretary and correspondent. So here in this particular sentence, the secretary and correspondent is one person. So we are using a singular verb, that is to the secretary and correspondent has come. The same sentence we are using to article twice. The secretary and the correspondent have come. So here the secretary and the correspondent, so the secretary is a different person and the correspondent is another different person, so it is a plural, two different person, two persons. So the secretary and the correspondent have come. So we are using a plural form of verb. So in case of designations, he is a writer and also a poet. He he is the writer of the movie, and the writer and the producer are coming. So in those cases, when you use a when you use the definite article before each noun, that becomes plural form of noun. Remember that in your mind whenever you use the definite article. The next is two subject expresses one idea, so the verb must be singular. So whereas bread and butter is a wholesome food. Okay, so here bread, it's a food, and butter is also food. So we're combining both with the conjunction and. So bread and butter is a wholesome food. We're using is, that is singular verb, because bread and butter, which conveys or which is of one idea, that is food. Okay, the idea is food, it comes under the category food, so it is singular. So here we are learning about one singular um, thing, that is the use of conjunction, the use of article, okay, the use of conveying one idea. Remember that. This is the next important rule that you should remember. Let us meet with another few more rules in the next video.